one important one is collective decision making. So it's again this idea of so in the case of the anthropods, it's a question of understanding how groups of normal cells with normal human genome derived molecular hardware are going to decide to work together to make a specific new coherent construct with new behaviors, new functionalities, and so on. In the case of Angela, this is and the cross embryo morphogenetic assistance. It's the idea that standard developmental biology studies how cells cooperate to make a nice embryo. Well, it turns out that this actually works on a higher level as well. So groups of embryos also work together to complete morphogenesis. And in both of these cases, what we want to understand is where is the information? What is the collective intelligence of these cells? What kind of problems are they able to solve? So in the case of the anthropods, they're able to they find themselves in a new environment, in a new kind of a new scenario, and they're able to put together a very coherent form that is able to live for weeks and have certain functions and so on. In Angela's case, what you're seeing is again a kind of collective problem solving, but this time at the level of whole animals. So not down at the cellular level, which is standard developmental biology. It's kind of maybe this is the beginnings of a kind of hyper developmental biology or something where what you're really trying to work out is the rules by which whole bodies communicate to better solve the problem of embryogenesis. Because one of the things that, many people have studied and our lab focuses on in particular is biological intelligence in the sense of problem solving. That means when you're confronted with a new scenario that you haven't seen before, especially a new scenario that you haven't seen before, are you able to complete your goals? In case of development, are you able to make the target morphology that you want to make, a correct embryo or some other functional thing in the case of anthropods?